Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to hack Flood Underwater Boat on your iOS or Android device. So if you're on iOS, go to Settings, General, Background Refresh, and make sure that Wi-Fi and cellular data is on. Once you've done that, go to your browser, mine Safari, and search for sideload.dev. Just like that guys, sideload.dev. Then press go. And you'll see a page like this. In here, just want to search for flood. There it is, and it will say flood underwater boat, so just tap on it and tap start injection. As you can see, it will begin downloading, and by using this method you can get infinite coins and infinite gems, which is awesome because obviously you have to pay for those, and using this method you can save yourself some money. So yeah, and as you can see it's now unpacking, and and you just have to be patient during the step because it does depend on your internet speed. So if your internet is slow, then this can take some time, just like mine. But if your internet is quick, then it'll be done in no time. So as you can see, it's just finishing up. And there is one more step, and that is this. In here, you just want to download 2 free apps. As you can see, it's now injecting. It'll say, please install 2 free apps to finish the injection process. So I'm going to be getting this one. There we go, so just download that. Now go back and download the second one. There we go, now that one's downloading. And then you just go to your home screen and wait for them to download. As you can see, this one's already done downloading, so you just want to open it and run it for 30 seconds. As you can see, I'm now in the app, and during this step you just have to swipe around, interact with the app. You don't have to pay for anything. And after the 30 seconds is over, then you can just swipe up, go to the second app, make sure that this one is running for 30 seconds as well, as it's really simple to do. So make sure that this one is running for 30 seconds as well. And after that's done, you can just go to your home screen, swipe, and you'll see Flood Underwater Boat ++ has been installed and injected onto your device, which is awesome because you've just saved yourself some money. So yeah guys, and if you do not see this icon, then make sure that you are running your apps for longer. So yeah, or you can download more apps, whatever works, as sometimes our servers are just very busy. So yeah. And that's about it, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to like, comment, smash that subscribe button. I'll see you next one guys, peace out.